What's up, guys? It's Chad here with Drew Reviews, coming to you from my backyard today. If you've been following the channel, you know this guy right here is Bodie. He is approximately 10 months old now, and he had a field day with my 100-foot hose. As you can see behind me, my grass is looking pretty bad here in central North Carolina. We haven't had rain in quite a while, which is bad, so I've been relying on this hose. Unfortunately, the hose is no longer with me, so I'm going to go over the most cost-effective and reliable way to fix this hose instead of going out and purchasing a new 100-foot hose. So stay tuned right after this. Before I get too in-depth on this, I just want to show you a little quick video on my dog actually in the act of chewing up the hose. It was actually kind of at night in the dark, so please, the video quality is not the best, but watch my dog chew up the hose. Well, this is what we got. Like I said, this is the 100-foot hose. He literally cut it about probably 2.5 inches away from the actual head here, so that's going to be a problem as well. Alright, what I got to fix the problem here is this little gizmo right here, so hopefully that'll focus for you guys. This right here I got from Lowe's, okay, and this is called a 5/8 inch and 3/4 inch clamp hose mender. Okay, the premise behind this is you're going to cut both hoses in a nice flush manner, slide this into both ends of the hose, and use these two hose clamps to clamp the hose together, and hopefully it won't leak. So we're going to go to this. So we're going to at least need to cut it right about here to get it to work correctly. I haven't quite tried this yet, but I'm going to try using just some shears, and hopefully that'll work. Looks like it might work. Alright, that's not too bad. These are just some pruning shears. These are my wife's. Alright, another problem that I'm seeing in this hose here is that my dog has actually then put more multiple teeth marks into this hose. So that might be the sinking factor right here on this. Alright, let me find the other end of this hose. Again, this hose doesn't matter because I have another, 99.5 feet left. So I'm just going to clamp that off. Alright, so right here I got a nice flush cut and a nice flush cut. Again, I'm hoping that these teeth holes aren't going to really make a difference, since this is going to actually be replacing that section internally. So we're going to see if that works. I'm going to get this open and we'll start the video back. We got this all opened up. It comes with the two hose clamps, and it comes with this nice brass fitting. Like I said, I cut these off nice and flush. You do need a flathead screwdriver, and that is just going to be for the hose clamps. Alright, easy peasy. We're just going to put this into the hose. Alright, now I'm going to be honest with you. It does take a good amount of force to get this all the way in. So, alright, so I'm going to cut this. I'm going to put this onto this end as well. And obviously don't forget the hose clamps on both of the sides prior to fitting both sides on. Okay, so it's going to be like that. And then I'm going to get these two nice and flush, and we're going to go test it out and see how it works. Here is the finished product. As you can see, the little center cap on the brass is the only thing that shows. The two hose clamps are here and here. You don't want to tighten them down too tight. I mean, this is kind of an older hose, so it's kind of brittle as it is, so you don't want to squeeze it too tight and split it, okay? But this is what we got. The hose clamps, obviously, like I said, are flatheads, and it's very good and tight. So we're going to go over and test it to see if it's going to hold water, or if I'm going to have to go out and buy a $50 plus 100-foot hose. Let's go. Well, here is the repair up close. Hope it's focused for you guys. And this is just a normal sprinkler head I use to wash cars, etc. But here we go. No leaks. Obviously there's a leak in this part right here, but that's normal for this particular spigot. But no leaks on the hose, so I give this 2 thumbs up. Well, that was a very simple install. It took me maybe 6 to 8 minutes total, and that was including repositioning the camera here and there. Super easy. There's no real instructions on the actual unit, but just follow what I showed you guys. It's pretty self-explanatory. I know, you should have just used duct tape and you would have fixed it. Yes, duct tape would temporarily work, but I want this hose to work, hopefully for at least the whole rest of the season. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the description below in the comment section. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, have a great summer. Bye.